Hello everyone, welcome back to my garden. Yaje here with another gardening video. Today's video is going to be an update video on the pigeon peas that I am growing here in my garden, and my garden is in Houston, Texas, zone 9A. In the last video I shared with you how to get the peas to germinate right up to the point of planting in ground. So this is the second video in the series. It has been 10 weeks since sowing the seeds, and I have some exciting updates to share with you. So guys, my pigeon peas have produced some very beautiful flowers, and they have even started to produce the pots itself already. So I'm so excited about that. If you are growing along the pigeon peas with me, you can expect that it will take about 10 weeks from the date of sowing the seeds to when you start to see flowers and peas start to form. As far as pests, I've not had to deal with a lot of pests at all with the pigeon peas, and it is not because I am lucky. It is just because the pigeon peas does not attract a lot of pests. It has resistance to pests, so I've not had to use any insecticides, any pesticides, anything like that, and it's been doing quite well.